The global automotive industry is changing rapidly. Europe and the USA have recovered from the effects of the economic crisis. China leads global production with about 50% of the market. The concept of the car is undergoing profound changes with direct consequences for the manufacturers. According to a study by MOBINOV, by 2020, 92 million vehicles will be equipped with dynamic mobile communication systems. And by 2021, 35 million drivers throughout the world will use car-sharing systems. 3D printing will allow limitless vehicle customization, and the global outlook is that in 2035 there will be 21 million self-driving vehicles, that is, without a human driver. That is not to mention the growth of electric motors, which by 2040 will account for 40% of automotive sales worldwide. In Portugal, the automotive industry cluster already constitutes 22% of tradable export goods, and 27% of the jobs generated in the manufacturing industry in the last 5 years. In total, the 11 billion euros generated in turnover correspond to 5.9% of the national GDP and warrant the more than 800 million euros invested in 2017 alone. That is 40% higher than the amounts invested in 2012. Also, annual production figures project strong growth, with 5 automotive production plants, Volkswagen Auto Europa, PSA Mangualde, Mitsubishi Fuso Trucks, Caetano Bus and Toyota Caetano. Projections show that by 2020, the number of vehicles manufactured in Portugal will grow by more than 100% to 350,000 units, a figure that will propel the entire cluster, including component manufacturers, accessory production companies and other suppliers, to a sustained growth. The demand of this industry contributed to the competitiveness and sustainability of suppliers, who in turn spread to the rest of the business infrastructure. In the defense and projection of this important cluster, there is an association which aims to establish and manage an aggregating platform for knowledge and competencies. The objective is to promote the growing appreciation for competitiveness and the internationalization of the sector, developing in addition manufacturer and supplier value chains in Portugal and in local markets, and creating global supply strategies for the component industry and its customers. MOBINOV wants to transform Portugal into a reference point in the research, innovation, design, development, production and testing of products and services in the automotive industry. In addition, it intends to bolster the competitiveness of a sector fundamental to the national economy, promoting the growth of exports. MOBINOV, Automotive Cluster of Portugal.